Before we start, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, only download videos that you legally have permission to save. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube videos for offline viewing. We'll keep things simple, clear, and focused on doing this responsibly. Start by grabbing the link to the video you want. Open YouTube, go to the video, and use the share button beneath it to copy the URL. On desktop, you can also copy the address directly from your browser's URL bar. That link is what every tool will need to find and process the video. Next, choose how you want to download it. The quickest option is an online converter. Sites like YT5S, Save From, or Y2Mate work in a similar way. Open the site, paste your link into the box, and let it analyze the video. When the quality options appear, pick what you need, 720p or 1080p for sharper video, or audio only if you just want the sound. Keep in mind, higher resolutions mean larger files and longer processing times, so choose based on your storage and your needs. Then click Download, wait for the file to process, and use the final download button to save it to your computer. If you see extra pop-ups or misleading buttons, close them and stick to the main download option. If you prefer using an app, a dedicated program like 4K Video Downloader can be more stable, especially for longer videos. Install it, open the program, and click Paste Link. The app will analyze the URL and show you the available resolutions and formats. Select what you want and click Download. This approach is often faster and more reliable, and it can handle larger files with fewer interruptions. You can also download shorts or get audio-only versions by choosing an MP3 or another audio format. That's handy for lectures, podcasts, and music when video isn't necessary. To keep things organized, consider renaming the file to something descriptive as soon as it's saved. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and play the file offline to make sure it looks and sounds the way you expect. If you'll be downloading regularly, it helps to create a dedicated folder so you can find your content quickly later. Finally, always respect copyright and YouTube's terms. Only download content you own, have permission to save, or that's clearly allowed for offline use. Use these tools for personal, lawful purposes, and support creators whenever you can. That's it, copy the link, choose a converter or an app, pick your format, download, and enjoy offline. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.